What is going on? We is out here. Oh my God. We are going to do another SHEIN fake bag opening unboxing right now, y'all. Oh my God. I have 8 bags that we are going to be opening right now. Let's get into it. If you don't already know, I need to introduce myself. My name is Samantha. Hello. I am here doing SHEIN content, opening up fake bags from SHEIN, doing SHEIN try-on hauls. Let's get it popping. Okay, we're going to get with this one first, okay? I'm not sure. I hope this is the one that I'm thinking of that I want to do first. So these come really nicely packaged, okay? Every single haul, every single video that I've been doing so far with these bags, I'm just like throwing stuff everywhere. Everything comes really nicely packaged, and I can give SHEIN that credit, you know? Okay, yeah, this is the bag. Okay, yes. Okay, y'all. Woo, look at that shiny silver beautifulness. Gorgeous. Okay, so this is a knockoff of a Coach bag, okay? I have my notes down here, so when I'm looking down, I'm looking at my notes, y'all. So I got this silver bag for $16 on SHEIN. Oh my God, it is absolutely so amazing. The quality feels nice. Look at the bottom. Ooh, nice. We got this strap up here. We open it up. Oh, what's really cool, look, it has like buttons on each side, which is really awesome. On the inside, oh my God. Okay, so you unzip it. Oh, we have another little strap here, like a longer strap. And then, of course, it feels like Christmas every time I do this, but the inside is just the inside. Very nice. Wow, this quality is amazing. This Coach bag goes for $258. I can see it on eBay, and I can also see it on Amazon as well. Okay, so $258 compared to $16. Y'all, this is such a good knockoff. If you could put a little like Coach keychain on it, hey, you know what I'm saying? Don't even get me started. This is a great bag. Okay, that's number one, right? Love that. Okay, we're going to get in to this one right here. Let's get right into it because this is my favorite color. I love this color, y'all. This is my favorite color. I can see a little bit through these bags to see what kind of brand I'm about to open. We've been into it. Okay. No name brand on the dust bags or anything like that. Oh my goodness. Y'all, this is so cute. Shut the front door. Okay, so obviously this is a Michael Kors dupe look-alike. What is it missing? It's missing the K, right? We got the M of the monogram, but we're missing the K. Regardless, honestly, so cute. It seems so durable. You know, it has the M right here, that gold M. How gorgeous is that? Oh my God. Oh, look. Comes with the straps right here. Those are really nice. The inside has like 2 separate pockets. Okay, I'm not going to like be putting this on right this moment. You guys could get the gist of it. But, okay. Wow. How much did I pay for this? Okay, I paid for this Michael Kors pink bag. How much did I pay for this? Okay. Oh my God. Okay, so I paid for this pink Michael Kors crossbody satchel $16. Okay, honestly, yeah, $16 is a great price for this. It's missing the K, y'all. We need the K on there. Come on, SHEIN. Let's go. Oh my gosh. Okay, so oh, the Michael Kors one goes for like a few $100s. I'm going to post it up right here to see like the types that I could find when I was doing like my Google search and stuff. It goes for like a few $100s. You know, Michael Kors and Coach are very like similar in prices, also similar quality. Michael Kors and Coach just remind me so much of each other. I really like Coach though. Coach is my favorite brand. Okay, that's a great dupe. Really great dupe of that Michael Kors. Love that. Okay. on to the next. Okay, this one, oh, I'm excited for this one. Okay, like I said, I really like Coach. I'm a big Coach gal. And I love their cherry vibes that they're doing right now. If y'all know, you know. But Coach is like on this like cherry grind right now. Look at this cute. Oh my God, you guys. I could just go around with this little one. Oh, I love this one. Okay. I love the detail of the handle up here. Are you serious? Look at that detail. Oh, this is beautiful. Look at that. Oh, gorgeous. Okay, let's open it up. How do we open it? Okay, so I'm gonna have to take this off to open it. I don't really want to do that, but I'm going to. Is it a button? What is it? Oh my God, you turn it like a little lock. Cute. I love that. Actually, those are my favorite. I like the, when you have to turn it, I like the little lock process rather than the button process. Okay, so you take that out. Oh yeah, this is what makes it. And you know what? I was saying this just before. Just add this little cherry keychain onto the bag and it looks like a legit Coach bag. Like literally that's all you need. It's so cute. This is so freaking cute. You know, I do have another Coach bag that I got from SHEIN with the cherry vibes on it. It's really nice. This little bucket bag. I like this one better though. And of course it comes with the strap here. Here's the inside. It has a little pocket. This is really great quality. Really, really cute. Oh my God, guess how much I paid for this bag? Oh my God, I paid for this Coach cherry bag $16. How freaking gorgeous for $16. Okay, the originals go for about like $120 to $300. There's so many different, you know, Coach cherry bags. So you have to look at like the vibe that you want, the size and all of that. But the price range does go from like $120 to about like $300 for a nice little Coach satchel like this size. Oh my God, this one's so cute. All right, y'all, on to the next. Okay, so we're gonna stay in the MK family right now. Let's do that. OMG, we is out here opening these bags. Okay, I'm excited to see this. Oh, wow. Okay, legit. Really legit. Okay, so, oh man. Okay, so same thing here. Okay, we got this Michael Kors lookalike tote bag. Again, we have the M's on here. The M's are so cute, but it can't pass as an original bag. It needs the K. When you look at the bag, you're gonna go, oh, like, sorry, I'm not hating, but I'm just saying, like, when you don't see the M and the K, you're like, oh, that's a fake bag, like, but whatever, you know what I mean? Yeah, if it doesn't have the K on it, I'm sorry, this is a no for me, but it's still cute. Guess how much I paid for it? For $8.72. Yeah, it is worth $8.72 because it's missing the K's. Like straight out, I'm not impressed because it's missing the K's on here. But the original Michael Kors Monogram tote bag online, I think it goes for like, okay, like, yeah, like about 140 bucks. So again, that is a really good deal for the quality. Michael Kors is a good brand. Again, it is affordable. But I mean, this bag is still for $8, like, okay, you know what I mean? It even comes with this little M right here, which makes it kind of look legit. I'm sorry, but this is a big no for me. Something is just, I don't like it without the K. It needs to be more authentic. All right, y'all, let's get on to the next. All right, y'all, we is getting on to the next. What am I doing? I am super, super excited about because I actually have it in the color, in a silver color that I also got from SHEIN. I really like the silver and denim vibes. Obviously, I'm wearing denim. I really love that like Y2K type of vibe. OMG. Okay, yeah, this is so me. Okay, how gorgeous is this bag? So I have it in silver, like I said. I got it from SHEIN. This bag on SHEIN goes for 20 bucks, y'all. 20 bucks. That is such a good freaking deal. This is a Prada and a Balenciaga look-alike. So if you go online, you're gonna see those two brands very similar, have very similar bags to this one right here. So the Prada goes for like $600 to $1,000, and then the Balenciaga is like $3,000. Don't even get me started on Balenciaga, like, oh my God. But anyway, that's the designer of which this SHEIN bag is replicating. This is gorgeous. I really, really like this bag. I love the detail of the studs here. I love this little hanging strings right here. I love the color. How cute is that, like dusty blue color? Oh, this is gorgeous. Pop it up open right there, and then you got the inside. I mean, this is gorgeous. I really, really like this bag. Okay, yeah. I really like the blue. Oh my God, this is so cute. I really like this one a lot. All right, y'all. Wow, 20 bucks? Yes, ma'am. All right, y'all. On to the next. Okay, y'all. We is getting in here into a new brand. This is a lookalike brand that I have not ordered from SHEIN yet. So I'm excited to see how this one looks like in real life. Oh my God. Okay, so cute. Okay, hello. I thought it was gonna be like a purse. Wait. Oh yeah. Oh, perfection. This is what I was looking for. Okay, I love little bags. This style, this size is like my bag. Like, you can take this size into concerts. You know what I mean? Like, nowadays you have to have really small like bags to get into shows, into concerts, into venues and things like that. You could totally take this in. Ooh, yeah, okay. Hello, this is gorgeous. Oh my God, I gotta put this together. Oh my God. Okay. So this is a Valentino look-alike. Oh, this is gorgeous. I don't care what brand it is. This is actually just really freaking cute. Oh my God, I love that. Little crossbody brown suede with that detail. Ooh, I love that detail. I love the studs. I love the chain. These like chain straps are my favorite. Like, I really like this. It just gives such details to your bag and like to your outfit as well. Okay, so this bag on SHEIN I got for $17. Okay, this is really freaking cute, y'all. Even if you're not trying to do like a look-alike of a certain brand, this is still so freaking cute, right? Like, I don't care if I'm not even trying to do a look-alike when I order this bag. Like, this is just so freaking cute, and I can take it everywhere and anywhere with me. But the Valentino bags like this, they go for $1,500 to about $2,000, which is absolutely ridiculous. Like, hello? Are you serious? Get this on SHEIN for $17? Don't even play with me right now, y'all. This is so freaking cute. Oh my God, on to the next. Okay, so we're gonna stay in the Valentino theme. I really like that bag so much, regardless of the look-alike name that I'm, you know, trying to copycat here. So because I like that style so much, I wanted to get it in another color as well. So I did decide to get it in this like black right here, this black color. You know, obviously black goes with everything. Black, white, tan, and it comes with this as well. So I just wanted to show you that and the detail of this bag with the studs on this side. So same thing, I paid about $17 for this bag. This Valentino look-alike. This is really freaking cute, y'all. Oh my God. Okay, on to the next. Okay, this one is very, very interesting to me. Like, when I saw this, I was like, oh my God, like, this is such a good replica, again, of Balenciaga. Okay, this is a replica of Balenciaga, not my favorite brand. I'm just doing it for the video. Okay, this looks so much like the Balenciaga bags. It's almost shocking. Like, look at the material. Wow. I'm actually shocked right now. Oh my God. Okay, this bag I got for $21, right? The Balenciaga bags go for about $1,800. this look-alike of Balenciaga, about $1,800. Oh wow, this is really cute though. Okay, let me open it and see what we got popping up on the inside. Oh, cute. Okay. Wow, y'all, this is actually really cute. Okay, here's the strap that it comes with. Here's the inside. This one does kind of have like a weird smell. I'm all like smelling the bag, but it does. It has like a little bit of a weird smell, this one, for some reason. I don't know why. But look at the detail of this. I'm really shocked by this. This is a really great look-alike Balenciaga bag. I ain't even gonna lie. Y'all, well, that is it. I just opened up like 8 bags, I think. And wow, what a great haul this was. Oh my God, I'm about to get some more junk. You know, this is just gonna keep on coming, but what a great haul. Please make sure to subscribe. Okay, if you like this kind of content, if you like the SHEIN try-on hauls, if you like the fake purse vibes, give me a subscribe and also like this video. Let me know what you would like to see, perhaps coming up in the next videos. They're gonna keep coming, y'all, all right? Have a beautiful day. Peace out.